Come here, sit down. Sit down, yeah, sit down. Okay. What is that? Can you read this one? What is this? Can you read this? What is this? Yan yan, what is this? Yan yan, this one. Yan yan.
Baby boy.
Where is your belly button? Go. You point, where's your belly button? Whoa, very good. How about this one? Can you read this?
Whoa.
Bro.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Bro. This one. What is this? No, don't tear it up. What is this?
Chin.
Where's your chin? Where's your chin? Yay! How about this one? Can you read this?
Kiss.
What? Clap. How about this one?
Ear.
Ear. It's not ear.
No.
No, what's that?
Drink.
Drink. Very good. This one? Eat. What is that? Spaghetti. The boy is eating spaghetti. Okay. How about this? What?
Yeah.
Giraffe. Very good. This one? You read. Elephant. Okay. What? Where's your eyes? Okay. How about this one? What is that? What? Cat. Very good. This one?
Ear.
Where's your ear? Okay. This one?
Nose.
Nose. Where's your nose? Nose. This one? Behave.
Cow.
Wow. And this one? What is that? What is that? What is this? This one? Okay. This one? This one? Louder. Okay, this one. D. B. Okay, this one. This one. H. This one. F. This one. This one. Baby. This one. No, lion. This one. What is that? What? What is that? Penguin. Very good, Yan Yan. And this one, your favorite? Ice cream. And this one again. What? What? Orange. And this one? Car. How about this one? What is that? Helicopter. How about this one? You know what is this, right? What is this? What is this? What is that? What letter is this?
No.
This one? What is this? Okay, where's your head? Head. Change. Where's your head? Head, yan. Nose. Nose. Where's your nose? Ears. Mouth. Chin. Cheeks. Hair. Arms up. Wave your hands. Wave. Where's your feet? Your toes. Where's your toes? Where's your toes? Okay, your belly button. Whoa. Where's your teeth? Oh, tongue. Your tongue. Where's your tongue? Show me your tongue. Hey. Okay, again, what is this? Apple. This one.
Water.
Flower. This one. What? Milk. Okay, what is your name, little boy? What is your name? Oh, no, don't. What is your name? What is your name? What is that? What? What is this?
No.
What? No. What is this?
Duck.
Socks. Very good. Oh, no, this one, your favorite. What is that? Blanket. Where is your blanket? You point, where is your blanket? Where's your blanket?
Yes.
Where? Where's your blanket?
Yes.
There. What is the color of your blanket? What? What is the color?
Red.
Red. Very good. Red is the color of Yanyan's blanket. Hey, Yanyan! This one! You forgot. What is that? What is that? What is that? Face! Yay! Woo! Okay, this one. What is this, Yanya? What? This one? What is this? What? 100. Okay. 100. Okay, let's sleep now. Time to sleep now. Oh.
Baby.
This one. Fish.